Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to withdraw money from RedotPay to Binance. First, open Google Chrome and search for RedotPay withdrawal. Then, scroll down and click on the official RedotPay link. Now, scroll to the withdrawal FAQ section and click on how to withdraw crypto assets from RedotPay to other platforms or wallets. Next, open the RedotPay app on your phone. Here, go to Home. Then tap on More, and after that, select Withdraw. Now, choose USDT as the withdrawal currency. Then, select the withdrawal network such as USDT TRC20. Make sure your account balance is more than the minimum required for this network. Next, open the Binance app or website. Now, go to Wallet, tap on Spot, and select Deposit. Then, choose USDT and make sure to select the TRC20 network. Here, copy the USDT TRC20 deposit address from Binance. After that, go back to the RedotPay and paste this address into the withdrawal address field. You can also scan the QR code if you prefer. Then, tap on the Withdraw button. Now, complete the verification process. Once done, the withdrawal will be processed and your fund will now send to your Binance account. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.